Ever needed to get some cash to a friend, but you're both miles apart? Maybe you owe your roommate for their share of the rent, or your cousin across the country needs a little help. In today's digital world, there are thankfully more ways than ever to send money quickly and securely. But if you're a Capital One customer and you're staring at your phone or computer screen wondering how to get that money moving, fear not. Transferring funds from your Capital One account to someone else's is actually a breeze. There are a few different options available, each with its own advantages depending on the situation. So, whether you need to send money to someone with a Capital One account or another bank altogether, we'll break down the process for each method to make sure you pick the right one for your needs. First up, let's talk about standard bank transfers. This is a great option if you're transferring money to someone with another bank account in the United States. It's generally a safe and reliable way to send funds, and Capital One allows you to do it conveniently through their online banking platform or mobile app. Here's how it works. Log into your Capital One account and navigate to the transfer section. You'll then choose the account you want the money to come from and enter the recipient's routing and account number. Just a heads up, you might need to double-check with your recipient to get this information. It's a unique set of numbers that identifies their specific bank account. Once you've entered the routing and account number, you'll specify the amount you want to transfer and choose a transfer date. Keep in mind that standard bank transfers can take a few business days to complete, so if you need the money to get there ASAP, this might not be the fastest option. Now, let's say you and your friend are both Capital One customers. In that case, there's a fantastic built-in feature called Zelle. Zelle allows you to send and receive money directly between Capital One accounts and accounts from many other major banks too, in just minutes. This is a super fast and convenient way to get cash to someone you know and trust, perfect for splitting bills, repaying loans, or sending a quick birthday gift. Using Zelle is straightforward. You'll find the Zelle option within the Capital One mobile app or online banking. Just select the recipient from your contact list. If they're also a Zelle user, enter the amount you want to send and hit confirm. That's it. The money will be deposited directly into their account, typically within minutes. Alright, so those are the two main options for transferring money out of your Capital One account. But what if you need to get funds to someone in a hurry, or maybe they live overseas? Well, that's where wire transfers come in. Wire transfers are essentially electronic deliveries of money that happen super fast, often on the same business day. They're a great option for urgent situations, but there's a catch. Wire transfers typically come with fees attached, so they're generally not the most cost-effective way to send money for everyday situations. Capital One allows you to initiate wire transfers online or by visiting a branch in person. The process involves providing recipient information like their name, bank details, and the reason for the transfer. Once you confirm everything and pay any associated fees, the transfer will be initiated. Now, remember, wire transfers are very secure, but because they're so fast and irreversible, it's crucial to be absolutely certain of the recipient's information before proceeding. Once a wire transfer is initiated, it's nearly impossible to get the money back if something goes wrong. So there you have it. No matter who you need to send money to, or how quickly they need it, there's a Capital One transfer option that fits the bill. From standard bank transfers for domestic transactions to the lightning-fast convenience of Zelle, or the secure urgency of a wire transfer, you've got the tools you need to get your money moving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.